Ever dreamed of being your own boss? Imagine waking up each day with the freedom to decide your own schedule, to work from anywhere in the world, and to pursue your passions without the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5 job, of setting your own hours and watching your ideas come to life. Picture yourself brainstorming innovative concepts, sketching out plans, and then seeing those ideas transform into tangible products or services that people love and use every day. E-commerce makes this dream a reality for millions worldwide. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving field that connects you with a global audience, breaking down geographical barriers and opening up endless possibilities. It's a global marketplace bustling with opportunity, just waiting for you to jump in. The digital landscape is teeming with potential, offering a platform for anyone with a vision and the drive to succeed. Whether you're an artistic soul, a tech whiz, or a passionate foodie, there's a space for you in the e-commerce universe. This diverse ecosystem welcomes all kinds of talents and interests, providing a unique space for everyone to thrive. This isn't just about selling, it's about sharing your passion with the world. It's about connecting with like-minded individuals, building a community around your brand, and making a meaningful impact, ready to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a profitable reality. Let's dive in. The journey may seem daunting, but with the right guidance and resources, you can navigate the e-commerce waters with confidence. This guide is your roadmap to navigating the exciting world of online business. We'll provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to chart your course and reach your destination. We'll break down complex concepts into bite-sized steps, offering practical advice and real-world examples to get you started. From setting up your online store to marketing your products effectively, we've got you covered. No more feeling overwhelmed or lost in a sea of information. We'll simplify the process, making it easy for you to understand and implement each step. This is about empowering you, the aspiring entrepreneur, to take charge and build something amazing. With determination and the right strategies, you can create a successful online business that reflects your unique vision. Get ready to ride the e-commerce wave and turn your passion into profit. Embrace the adventure, seize the opportunities, and watch as your entrepreneurial dreams become a thriving reality. Before you launch your online store, you need a solid plan. This plan will serve as the foundation for your business, guiding you through each step of the process. Think of it as your entrepreneurial compass, pointing you in the right direction and helping you stay on course. Start by defining your niche. What unique product or service will you offer that sets you apart from the competition? This is crucial because a well-defined niche can help you target your marketing efforts more effectively. Who are your ideal customers? Understanding your target audience is key to creating a product or service that meets their needs and desires. Research your competition thoroughly, understand their strengths and weaknesses, and identify any gaps in the market that you can fill. This valuable information will help you carve out your own space in the market, allowing you to offer something truly unique. Next, think about your brand identity. What's your story? Your brand story should be compelling and resonate with your target audience. What values will your business embody? These values should reflect what your brand stands for and what you want to communicate to your customers. Your brand is more than just a logo. It's the feeling customers get when they interact with your store. It's the experience they have from the moment they land on your website to the moment they receive their order. Create a brand that resonates with your target audience and sets you apart from the competition. This involves everything from your website design to your customer service. Remember, a strong brand builds trust and loyalty, essential ingredients for long-term success in the e-commerce world. Trust and loyalty are what keep customers coming back, turning one-time buyers into repeat customers and brand advocates. The online marketplace offers a variety of platforms to host your e-commerce venture. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand an existing business, choosing the right platform is crucial for your success. Each has its own strengths and caters to different needs. Some platforms are designed for ease of use, while others offer more advanced features for those who need them. For beginners, user-friendly options like Shopify and Etsy provide intuitive interfaces, simplifying the process of setting up your online store. These platforms are perfect for those who may not have a lot of technical knowledge, but still want to create a professional-looking store. They offer various templates, payment gateways, and marketing tools to streamline your operations. With these tools, you can easily manage your inventory, process payments, and market your products to a wider audience. If you're tech-savvy and prefer greater customization, consider platforms like WooCommerce, which integrates with WordPress, offering more control over your website's design and functionality. This option is ideal for those who want to create a unique shopping experience for their customers. Don't be afraid to experiment and find the platform that best aligns with your technical skills and business goals. Trying out different platforms can help you understand what features are most important to you and your business. Remember, the right platform should empower you, not intimidate you. It should make you feel confident in your ability to run your online store effectively. Choose wisely, and you'll have a solid foundation for your online empire. The right platform can make all the difference in your e-commerce journey, providing you with the tools and support you need to succeed.